Should your business register for VAT? Get this decision wrong, and you either break the law or you saddle yourself with admin you never needed. So let me make it simple. Here's exactly when you must register, when you can choose to, and when you shouldn't. First, quickly, what VAT actually is. Value-added tax is a 15% tax you add to what you sell, collect from your customers, and pay over to SARS. It's not your money, and it's not your income. You're collecting it on SARS's behalf. Now, the rule that decides everything. If your business's taxable turnover goes over 1 million rand in any 12-month period, VAT registration is compulsory. Not your profit, your turnover, your total sales. Cross that line and you must register. And it's a rolling 12 months, not your financial year. So the moment your sales over the past year add up to more than 1 million, or they're about to, the clock starts. You're legally required to register within a set time. Ignore it, and SARS can register you anyway, and hold you liable for the VAT you should have been charging, going back to when you crossed the threshold. That can be a devastating bill, for money you never collected. This is not one to get wrong. Below 1 million, registration is voluntary. You can choose to register from as little as 50,000 Rand in turnover. Whether you should is a real decision, with genuine pros and cons, and it depends entirely on your business. Voluntary registration can help if you sell mostly to other VAT-registered businesses, because they don't mind the VAT and you get to claim back the VAT on your own expenses. It can also make a young business look more established. But it hurts if you sell to the public, because your prices effectively jump 15%, or you have to absorb it. And it always adds admin, regular VAT returns, proper records, and real deadlines. VAT is a commitment, not a badge. Because once you're registered, you're in the system. You charge VAT on every invoice, you file VAT returns, usually every 2 months, and you keep records that can stand up to a SARS audit. Miss a return, and the penalties start. So, simple summary. Over 1 million in turnover, you must register. No choice. Under 1 million, it's a strategic decision. Sell mostly to businesses? It often makes sense. Sell to the public and stay small? It often doesn't. And if you're not sure, that's exactly what we're here for. At Smartbook, we check whether you have to register, advise whether you should, and then handle the entire VAT registration with SARS, and your returns after. Head to smartbookie.co.za, and the link is in the description. So, do you need to register for VAT? Over 1 million, yes. Under it, it depends on who you sell to. Know your threshold, make the call deliberately, and get it right. And if you'd like us to handle it, that's what we do. Visit smartbookie.co.za or email hello@smartbookie.co.za. And if this helped, subscribe. It's the smart move.